So I'm gonna make a video of all the things we're gonna be selling for spring cleaning here. Coming up next. Yeah, I tried to do this live a minute ago. Let's let this Ford get the truck go by. And I tried to do I tried to do a live video a minute ago, but I just ain't got good enough service out here in the yard. It kept cutting in and out. And it looked bad, so I'm gonna do it on the regular camera and make it look pretty good. So, things we got for sale for spring cleaning. One, these taillights right here. And these guys are in good shape. They just need cleaned. I'll polish them up if anybody wants them. They'll fit a 87 to 96 F-150 or Bronco. These mirrors on this Bronco, and they're in pretty good shape. There's a little ding right there, and there's another little ding on the other side. I'll show you here in just a minute. But I'll sell them really, really cheap if you just need some for a good driver. They're pretty good mirrors. There, I got a 6.5 four-way set. Don't know what brand they are. Don't care. Probably Sony's because the radio's a Sony, but I'll sell them. That Sony radio, it's for sale. That fuel gauge, it's for sale. All right, that's it on the Bronco. Well, no. So, any of the front clip, all it's got to come off. You want any of it, hit me up. You got to contact me. I'll ship it, I'll move it, whatever you want to do. These wheels I will sell, but I got to have something put back on because I don't have nothing. But I do have the center caps for them. And I do have one of the Ford bullet hole wheels laying in the back, but I've only got one. All the rest of them got killed in the flood. So, I will sell that though. We got 5 of those. We'll sell 2 center caps. I would have to ask my brother-in-law if he wants to sell them. Those are Miata wheels, but if he wants to, I don't care to. I'll ask. We've got Dad's wheels. Probably sell those. We've got the rest of those Buick wheels. We got some 225, like 60, 17 tires. We got 3 of them. It's like new. We'll sell those. So I've got these aluminum Ford intakes. I'm going to keep one, but I'm going to sell them. These are off 302 Fords. And all these brackets, any of that you want, I'll sell it. I just got it because Bo was going to scrap it, and I didn't want to get rid of it. I don't like to scrap stuff if I can help it. We've got that hitch right there is the one that's going on the Bronco, but the ball and such that's in it, and the adapter of the 2-inch receiver, I'll sell the receiver and that ball. I think it's a 2 5/16. And if you can see over there's a 351 that fits a C6 Ford. I'm sorry, a C6 that fits a 351, 302, fits a Windsor. It's sitting over. I think it's off a 351. Right here, this is a front sump. I think it fits a 351. I don't know how good a shape it's in, but I'll sell it. It looks like it's all right though. I don't see no holes or nothing in it. All right, I think that's everything out of here. Let's walk in the shop. This air cleaner, it's 2-barrel. Probably fit most General Motors 2 barrels. It's off Dad's Buick. We'll sell it. We don't need it. We're never going to use it. Man wanted to make it a 4-barrel. All they did do is cut that hole out bigger. So, they're the same thing. They just stamped a bigger hole in them. General Motors did. So, you can make it work. And like I said, we're not going to ask very much for this stuff. We just need to get it out of here for spring. So this radio right here. And I have the speaker to go with it. And I'll show you in just a minute. but this fits a 52 Pontiac. This is an original AM radio. Fits add-on radio that they sold to fit 52 Pontiacs. And it came with a big fiberglass like speaker thing that went on the dash. These are very rare. Now this thing I'm not going to sell cheap. But we've also got some of the 5-spoke style Ford hubcaps from like 78, 79. They're in the back of the truck. I'm not going to go dig them out. But we'll sell them. Let's walk down here and look at the stuff in the store. What is this? Disaster assistance. Alright, anyway, back here in my future office. The old store building. Kick the lights on here. Nice and moldy smelling in here, musky. That's not for sale. That's what's going in my Buick. I had these once before for sale, and I never did get them sold. Let's see, some kind of OtterBox. Sell it. I don't care. I don't need it. This axle fits a 2500 Chevy, so I'll sell that. These sockets, they're missing a bunch of stuff, but I'll sell them. I sell them cheap. Chevrolet airbox. Door handles to fit a new body style Chevy 9906. Those are third gen Ram fog lights. Some kind of flex fan. I don't even know what it fits. There's an 07 to like 14 Silverado GMC Sierra handle. I'll sell it. All this stuff I want rid of. Let's see. All right, let's go over here and show you this Pontiac thing. Yeah, I got door in my way. Here is a one Chevy hubcap. I believe that's off like a Chevette or something. I'm not sure, but I'll sell it. You want one? And here's a speaker thing for the Pontiac. Like I said, the last one of those I saw, it went a couple $100, so I'm not selling that cheap. Those are rare and hen's tooth. If you got a 52 Pontiac, that's what they came on. And then there's this hubcap, and it's old. It's kind of beat up, and I had no use for it. It weighs a ton, but somebody wanted it, needed it. It's right here. Sell that. Duramax plenum top. Sell it. I'm not going to use it. I don't even know what that's out of, but if you want it, it's there. And that old welding mask, it's for sale. And I believe that's all we've got right now to get rid of. Like I said, we're trying to do a big spring clean out. Oh, here's a Buick cam, and it's probably a little rusty, but I don't know if it can clean up or what. But it's there. It's a C like 110. Fits a Buick 350. We might just polish that up if nobody wants it. And I believe that's about it. I believe it's everything we've got for sale right now. But if y'all are interested in any stuff, oh, I'll sell this fan too. I think it's off a Buick 350. So, I don't use clutch fans. I'm switch everything to electric. I'm on the fence about those hubcaps on that car, if I'm going to sell them or not. I'm not going to reuse them, but I like them. I'm not going to reuse them. If you want them hubcaps, they're for sale too. I know we're changing to like a poverty cap and a rim. I figured maybe if we sell it, we might throw them in the trunk, but if y'all want them, they're for sale. And we're trying to get all this stuff sold so we can get the Pigeon Forge, have a little extra money, so we can bring you the rod run footage again. That was laying out there. But anyway, that's what we're trying to do at this time. I don't know if we're taking this guy. Here she is in all her glory. She's still sitting here, but transmission did another leak on me, and I think it's the cooler lines that's running out that's leaking, and they're just dripping over time. I'm not sure. This thing where it's set for so long, even though it's a 20,000 mile car, this transmission, it just keeps finding new little places to make puddles. So I'd really like to get it out of there and get that 700 R4 rebuilt, but I'm not probably going to have time to do that before we get the Pigeon Forge. So I don't foresee it unless I just take a wild hair and just knock it out in one evening. But we might. But yeah, that's that's the end goal. We're just trying to get rid of some of this stuff, doing a spring cleaning, maybe get some little money so we can put some more stuff into these other cars. And I appreciate you guys watching. Just keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing. Sorry we couldn't do it live. It just wouldn't work for us. It just kept cutting out on us. So I'll sell that thing too. Some kind of CB converter. Forgot about it. But that's for sale too. But anyway, keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep rigging things up. This is all we're doing tonight. We're not doing a big long video this week. So